Welcome to codePannu. Let us see about the syntax of if statement. In Python, we check for conditions. Python gives us the output as true or false. Now, what can we do with that true or false output? In real world, if we check for conditions, after we check for conditions, we do something, right? If you're looking for bag with color yellow or black, we do something like buying the bag. We can do a lot of things based on the output of our condition. We can tell Python to do a set of instructions if the output is true and a different set of instructions if the output is false. How do we do that? For now, let us see about the if statement to do a set of instructions when the condition is true. The syntax for if statement is this. The two important things to note are one is a colon at the end of the if sentence, and the second is a set of instructions should be typed after a tab space, which means once you go to the second line after your if condition, there will be a tab space, and then we have to start typing the set of instructions. To know more about if statements, follow or subscribe to codePannu.